My full home renovation has finally brought me to the basement. I'm going to show you just how I built a fairly simple bump out electric fireplace. I only have oil down here, so I figured I wanted something that was going to make it a little bit more cozy. And I'm going to be honest, I probably should have planned this out a little bit better. I went in without a drawn out spec and just kind of winged it, so you'll see. My thought process around the fireplace, you might have a better way to do it, I don't know. You might have a different way to do it, I don't know. I've only framed like 4 things before, so I know they have to be 16 inch on center, level, and plumb. So, level is plumb, isn't it? See, I'm not that kind of carpenter. What I mean is, I'm not a framing carpenter. Still consider myself a carpenter, but yeah, stay with me. Just goes to show you how uneven my house is. That process is build a little wall, mount the fireplace to it. I'm not gonna drywall it because the heat gets projected out. Nothing's gonna be on the drywall, and I'm just gonna put some boards up, maybe. We'll see. So I found my studs, that way I can attach my new studs to the old studs and it'll be extremely secure. I put together my bump out pieces before I put them up. I only went with 12 inches of a bump out. I didn't want it to be too exaggerated where the space is not very big. And then I went ahead and attached them to the lines that I drew. Once I did this on the left, I repeated it on the right and then put my boards straight across. You can also mount this fireplace to drywall. Don't think that you have to go through all of this to get this look. I just wanted it to be a little bit extra. Depending on the fireplace size that you've chosen, it's going to give you a little mounting bar that you're going to make sure it's level straight across and center. So get that up and put your fireplace on. I can't believe how easy it went up. Go in with a plan, draw it out exactly how it will look to the exact inches. I feel like my fireplace is slightly too big or my bump out is slightly too small, so you just don't want to have any regrets. So plan it out. It's so easy that when the bar is up, your fireplace goes on the bar. It's 2 directions. So simple. I actually can't believe how easy that went in. Did I do that right? So that doesn't make sense. So we will hide this wire with a big enough hole in here. I lied. There's 3 steps. Third step is put the face on. Probably the hardest of the 3 extremely easy steps. I just jiggled it a little bit and it went in. So I decided to rip some pine boards down, scrap the pieces that had the knots in it just to make it a little bit cleaner looking, and put them up horizontally. So you could really face your frame out in shiplap, brick, drywall, pretty well anything, which I think is really cool. Don't be afraid to get creative. And now you're probably wondering why I left a big black square. There is a piece of 3/4 inch plywood behind that, so when I mount my TV to it, it's not going to go anywhere. So this is phase 1. I haven't decided the color, how I'm going to stage it, so next video I'm going to talk about how I finished it, the feature walls that I put with it, and the finished product. If you like this video, don't be afraid to give it a thumbs up. I know everybody on YouTube says that, but I really appreciate it. And stay tuned for next time.